Hello, friends. Welcome to Mom Munchkin Squad Winners Interview. Today we have a very special guest, जिसको आप काफी सालों से देख रहे हो और आप काफी जानते हो उसको because she is renowned member of Mom Munchkin Squad. You can also say a founder member of Mom Munchkin Squad who is always there with us from the day one. Apart from that, she is our core team member and she is one of those core team members who has helped MMS grow, who has also helped MMS reach take free classes because she was one of those जिसने कोविड में जब भी कोरोना चल रहा था, कोरोना काल में काफी लोगों के लिए काफी हेल्प किया था. So welcome Anmona and congratulations for winning this award. So please express how do you feel? What is the feeling that you are getting after winning an award?
Hi, Miral. It's always great pleasure. And this lady luck, lady power has come to me again from Mom Munchkin Squad. I'm elated. It feels always wonderful to be recognized from anyone, whether it's your kids or the community. So appreciation is always in form of encouragement. So yes, and this time also I missed coming to Mumbai, but I was really with you with all my hearts when the celebration was going on. So I was seeing the live and the arrangement, the participants and the jury was wonderful. So I've followed it all, although I was away from it, but the heart was still there. And of course, it's a great feeling. Even if you don't win, the association is so wonderful. It's so heartwarming and so warm that you always want to be connected, whether it's a winning game or not. So just to be there and be out there to help you guys and help everyone who is so passionate about their businesses, about everything. So yes, it's a wonderful teamwork, and thank you so much for encouraging each and every one of us, entertaining with such kind of ramp walks and stuffs like that. So thank you so much. I'm
Thank you so much,
very
Anmona, for
grateful.
the compliment and your unconditional support. Before starting the actual interview, I would like to you please introduce to those people who are new to this live because this is on YouTube. So I would request you to please introduce yourself a bit for those who are new to this live.
Okay, so everyone out there who is watching me, I am Anmona and I'm a fitness and wellness coach. Now, people get confused. I get questions कि आपको आपका मतलब wellness coach भी fitness coach भी दोनों कैसे हो सकता है? So they both are very interrelated. So it's kind of a holistic approach to the entire health. So that includes your physical health, which includes your workouts. That also includes your mental health and your food, your nutrition, your general health, which includes your sleep pattern, your posture, your food that you're taking, your family that you're taking care of, most importantly. Okay, so that's why I say, and I have been saying this, that if I get only one female member from each and every one family, the entire family will be, nourished in terms of health and well-being, because women are the power of the house and the society. So the next generation depends on how educated we are, how well maintained we are, how we take care of ourselves. So yes, so that is why I say myself as fitness and wellness coach, because I take classes, online classes of workout classes भी लेती हूँ मैं, बच्चों का classes भी होते हैं, pregnancy classes भी होते हैं. Now, though, I have also entered into gender unbiased things. So male, female, both are coming to the classes. There are also couple classes, which I personally love because they have so much fun. एक दूसरे का टांग खींचते हैं, एक दूसरे की बुराई भी करते हैं, and yet in a positive direction. मतलब वो लड़ाई के तरफ ना जाके वो हेल्थ के तरफ डायरेक्ट हो जाता है. तो काफी मजा आता है couple classes लेने में भी, मुझे भी. तो yes, so it's overall health basically. So I'm into overall health. you can
I
say.
can completely vouch for it because you can see she herself looks so pretty and so beautiful. तो आप imagine कर सकते हो कि अगर आप उनका before and after pictures देखोगे तो you will actually realize the difference before and after, and you can completely trust her and her process. Anmona, before closing this interview, do you have anything that you would like to give to our audience before closing this?
यस एज आई से कि फिटनेस हमेशा ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि बॉडी बिल्डिंग या एक अच्छा फिगर के लिए, बिकॉज आई माई सेल्फ पर्सनली रियलाइज दैट, बिकॉज देखिए सबके लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ फेजेस आते हैं, बट इफ यू आर मेंटेनिंग योर फिजिकल हेल्थ दैट ऑल्सो इफेक्ट्स योर मेंटल हेल्थ एंड इमोशनल हेल्थ एज वेल. Okay, so that has helped me cope my, and I've seen many other students who have coped up from it. Okay, प्लस जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि अभी मेंस क्लास एंड कपल क्लास इंट्रोड्यूस किया है मैंने. अभी वेकेशंस आ रहे हैं तो किड्स क्लास भी है. ओके, सो किड्स बैचेस भी चालू है अभी. सो इफ यू हैव किड्स बिलो देन 12 देन दे आर वेलकम इन माय क्लास. ओके, सो तो सारे डिटेल्स मेरे से पर्सनली कांटेक्ट करने में मिल जाएगा, या आपको भी बोलेंगे तो वो मिल जाएगा. एंड टू द एमएमएस टीम, आई एम ऑलवेज देयर. अभी योगा डे भी आ रहा है जून को, सो इफ अगर एमएमएस पूरी टीम चाहती है कुछ करना फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट, तो वो मैं हमेशा देने के लिए तैयार हूँ. तो दैट इज ऑलवेज देयर फ्रॉम माय हार्ट टू योर्स. यस, सो दैट्स इट, एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर ऑल द वर्क.
Thank you so much, Anmona. Before closing, I would like to tell each and everyone, आपने सुना that she has started vacation batches for moms as well as kids, क्योंकि kids बहुत धूप है, बाहर भेजने से better है कि आप कुछ अच्छा सिखा दो बच्चों को. तो you can always get connected to her. She takes group batches which will give you a very good discount if you have a group of kids. जैसे कि अगर आपके कॉलोनी में या फिर अगर आपके आजू बाजू में, एंड शी बेसिकली टेक्स ऑनलाइन विच इज द बेस्ट थिंग, क्योंकि आपको आपके बच्चे को कहीं बाहर नहीं भेजना है, आपका बच्चा आपके सामने ही ट्राई करेगा तो आपको पता चलेगा कि वो कर क्या रहा है. सो डू गेट कनेक्टेड टू हर. पेरेंट्स, यू ऑल्सो शुड डू समथिंग बच्चों के साथ अगर आप करना चाहो तो for that all the batches you can always get connected to her. I will be giving the detailed description of her background on the description box. हमारा जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स है उसमें लिंक्स के साथ मैं आपको देने वाली हूँ, तो प्लीज गेट कनेक्टेड टू हर डायरेक्टली. थैंक यू सो मच गाइज फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. थैंक यू सो मच अनमोना फॉर स्पेंडिंग योर प्रेशियस टाइम विद अस. थैंक यू गाइज, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू,
बाय.